Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your old door handle with a new one, and as you can see, mine is in pretty bad shape. That's why we decided to replace all door handles in our house, and I found a Kwikset door handle. It cost about $20. It is really nice looking and I like the color. So let's install it. I already removed old door handle. It's pretty easy, you just have to unscrew 4 screws. And if you haven't done it already, remove your old door handle. So let's open a plastic box and let's see what we have inside. I'm using a utility knife to cut the plastic. And we have 2 parts of door handle, with one of them with a lock. It's really good quality. We have here a latch and a box with the rest of the parts. And we have here screws and a latch strike. This is all you need to install door handle, and I'm starting with sliding a latch inside of the hole. And make sure that your door closes, because if you put a latch the wrong side, the door just will not close. So, and the only tool that I'm gonna be using today is a screwdriver. So you need 2 small screws to secure a latch. And when you finish with attaching a latch to a door, you can start installing 2 parts of door handle. I'm trying to find a place where you can see exactly what I'm doing. This is the part with the lock. It's gonna be inside of the room, and this part will be outside. And just slide the first part of door handle inside of latch, and attach a second one. You can just simply slide a second part on the first one. And make sure that your lock is in open position. And now I need to attach 2 door ends with screws. So as you can see, I found a screw post to insert. A first screw, very easy. And for the second one, I cannot find it. So, and now I'm gonna show you a trick how you can do it very easily. Just pull slightly away a part of a door handle with privacy lock so you can see where screws insert. So you can see mine is too far, and you can always push it in a bit so you can reach a screw post and insert your screw. And now you can start tighten screws. And this is it. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you don't wanna miss my next video, hit notification button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.